everyone. Hope you all are doing well and are not getting bored at home, maybe. and I'm really honored that you people joined me here today. So, guys, have you ever noticed that when you apply to some medical school, you are coherently and effectively asked why you want to be a doctor, isn't it? But not even up to this, afterwards, each and every interview you face afterwards, you, even amongst your parents and peers, you have to answer the same question repeatedly. But yeah, answer to this question varies person to person, and actually not even person to person, even every person has a combination of reasons for the same. So, but it's really great to say that only students having a proper motivation and skill set to be a good doctor are the only ones, those who are uh, So guys, here I am Soumya from KMC Medical College, welcoming you all and congratulating all those who have successfully achieved this position and wishing luck to all those who are pursuing and are dreaming of it. So friends, when I was asked this the same question, that why I want to be a doctor, I was having multiple reasons to say why I'm going to choose this profession. Like, studying medicine is not easy. Studying medicine is really challenging. After that, studying a human body, that human body which is incredible in itself, and after that, after studying about that human body and examining it, and after that curing it, I think it's a really great work. And not only this, but also the trust and honor that a doctor earns is genuinely enormous, as doctors are shared with the deepest concerns by their patients in the hope of being healed. I think that's really I think that's really amazing, isn't it? And I don't think that any profession has this essence. Neither any profession uh, honors you with the white coat, isn't it? It's really amazing and it's so rewarding. Just like it, it is unexpressible. Not only this, I don't know whether you guys would admit or not, but yeah, doctors by default are in a position of power, as they are the healthcare leaders. You might be smiling at it, but yeah, it's a fact. It's quite true. And like, their doctors on daily basis faces many challenges. Like, every patient is different and every case is different. They learn a lot. They uh, So many things goes and comes and goes. Okay, but not to skip, uh, besides challenges, they faces a lot of difficulties in their regular lives. But friends, becoming a doctor is no less than an austerity. As when I decided to be a doctor, when I dreamed of becoming a doctor, I was around 8, and I never knew that what upcoming challenges I will be facing, how difficult it would be for me. I just started and I just dreamt of grabbing this white coat, but um, I always tried my best and gave my all efforts to grab this profession and to be in this profession. I tried multiple times, like, uh, and I always tried with new strategies, and every time I was giving my full effort, and with all my hard work I was trying to get some improvements so that I could get college of my dream, but it never happened. I faced failure several times, and I just can't tell you that how distressing that moment was. It was so heartbreaking that my life was seeming like it was a nightmare to me. I don't even wanted to uh, read those things again and again, but I was having no option rather than repeating all those things again and again, and it was really distressing. I always tried, and but I never lost my hope of being a doctor, and my family always played a crucial role and always motivated me for this, and always said that if you don't deserve, then no one deserves, and they always kept me on track. But it it was really hard to go through all these things. But yeah, it is really well said that hard work never goes in vain. So After a long time, after waiting a lot for this, I got something that was so shivering that even today, if I remember that day when I got offer letter from KMC Medical College, I just can't express that moment in words. Like I starts crying, and it was that amazing thing, that pleasure which no other thing can give me. It was really an amazing moment for me, and at that time I was missing my family members, my friends, as I was having no one around to share my feelings with. And it was a really bad time. Along with my excitement was so high, I was feeling at the top of this world. And definitely, even after grabbing this white coat, this journey is endless and there's a lot to say. But yeah, I would like to enlighten passionately one thing that this white coat teaches us, and that is, no matter how worse the situation is, no matter how bad the situation is, but the only thing is you have to win, and you will definitely win. And this is well proven by our white coat warriors during this pandemic, as they are protecting the whole world without thinking about themselves. So guys, there are there are a lot of things to say, but I would like to wrap it up by saying by with a short message actually, that why doctors are not just are not just the person who are working under a profession. They are a hope to someone, and they will be the hope of humans always. As but that's why I would like to say that never make someone lose the hope. Every time and every minute we have to be the hope of someone. So guys, hope you all will be great doctors, and those who are already doctors, they